Welcome to Contemporary School of the Arts. I'm Miss Christine, and this video I'm excited to share a look back video of just how far Dominic has come with his piano lesson. He has done such a great job. I had to stop and just share a look back of all his progress thus far. So you're going to see just how hard he has worked, his level of dedication, and where he is today. So let's take a look. One, two, go. What a joy to have such a student who is excited about learning and a remarkable level of dedication to practicing. I remember introducing Mary Had a Little Lamb, and he was so serious, playing it Mr. Cool. But I know deep down inside he was enjoying himself, and he showed clearly that he is well on his way to greatness because since the day I met his family. He's never missed a lesson, never missed a homework assignment, any video submissions, just incredible. And so I had to put this video together. And so I'm just so excited. As most of you know, anytime you're studying any subject, I don't care if it's math, reading, anything, it takes practice, it takes discipline, and it takes reinforcement. And so throughout our time together, I would give homework assignments, obviously music theory assignments, and that would really kind of reinforce the note reading, some of our concepts that you really have to better understand as you're playing whatever piece that week. And so I'm excited to share some of the sample music theory worksheets that I've sent throughout the course of our time together. I have to say, I couldn't do this video without saying a special thank you to Mr. and Mrs. Connor, Dominic's parents, right? Because the truth of the matter is, I send the information out. I'm here in New York. I believe they're in Maryland. And once I give you the information, it's really up to the student, in this case, maybe the student and the parents, to take what I share and really work the piece, work the homework assignments. And that's where you start to develop the skill and see progress. And I'm going to tell you, there has not been a week that I have not received the homework. Every week, if I give an assignment, I get it. Never have been late. And I know that mom and dad are the backbone of this great young man. Okay. So I want to say thank you. I know you're watching. Hey. And I want to say thank you to the both of you. I really do appreciate that you trust me. And it's just been great. And I want to personally say thank you, mom and dad, for your dedication and making sure that the assignments are always submitted. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this look back video. I wanted to do something special. Of course, I could email you and, give a certificate or do something nice like that. But sometimes seeing is believing. And I hope you will cherish this little video and keep it somewhere sacred, whatever you want to do. But it was important for me to share with you just where we started and where we are and where we're going, okay? And so I thank you so much. Continue all the hard work. Just know that I see it. I encourage you to continue to work hard, and we will do great things musically together.